friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of September the 14th to the 20th. The first couple deals we're doing curbside, meaning you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, ordering it, paying for it in the Walgreens app, and then driving to the store. And that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. And a lot of you prefer to shop this way. So let's get right into it. Okay, so deal number one, curbside. We are throwing into the basket one of these quilted northerns for $9.99. And this is the 6 equals 24. Do the toilet paper math. There is a dollar digital coupon. If you go down a little bit, you would just press the plus button to load it. It's that easy. So it's $9.99. And then everybody's favorite, this little cutie pie, this little 4-pack, 4 equals 16. Figure out the toilet paper math there. Anyhow, it's $5, and we have another dollar digital, so load that one too. If you like fancy paper, this is a great deal. So dollar for Cottonelle, dollar for Quilted Northern. If you type in the code WAG10, an extra $1.30 off. Now, if you can't get that $1.30 to come off, log out of the app, log back in. It should probably start working. Sometimes it gets hung up. Just to show you guys this, $14.99, $1.30 melting off, little bit of tax. Manufacturer taking $2 off. So we're at $12.51. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $2.51. And I don't think this is the worst deal. I know a lot of you like the fancier types of paper, and I do not blame you. So why not stock up? I think it is so smart right now to be stocking up on paper. As a prepper, as a couponer, just really, really smart. Deal number two, we are looking to get one of the larger Cottonelles for $7.99. And that dollar digital I showed you in the last one, you would throw it into this deal. So load that dollar coupon for this product at $7.99. The next item we're going to get is one of these Scott paper towels for $5. And we have the $1.25 coupon. And we also have the dollar manufacturer. So one is a store and one is a manufacturer for the Scott paper towel, along with the toilet paper. And the $1.25 times 2 is actually taking $2.50 off of the two paper products. And this one has a different manufacturer. And those manufacturers are from, I think, last week. So if you already used them, sorry, Charlie, they are of a one-time use. Now, just to show you our chorus line here, $1 off for the Cottonelle. The $2.50 is the Walgreens coupon, another $1 off for the Scott. And we also have WAG10 taking another $1.25 off. I mean, you certainly can't do that in stores, so sometimes doing these deals curbside is just a little bit better. The overall total for this magic is $17.99, $3.75 coming off with the Scott coupon and WAG10, $3 manufacturer also coming off. So it's $12.09. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Pay $2.09 and call this a very good deal. The final deal that we're doing curbside, it is to grab 3 boxes of the Walgreens generic facial tissue. Do you call this Kleenex or facial tissue? Because Kleenex is a name brand, but you know, facial tissue. So there's 3 pretty beefy boxes in here. They're $3.99 a pop for $11.97. I think it is very comparable to Kleenex. If you were going to compare apples and oranges, just a little bit cheaper though. Using the code WAG10, you're saving $1.20 off, so that is not bad. And we got to save any pennies and nickels and dimes any way we can right now, because things are so flippin' expensive. The overall total for this is $11.97, $1.20 coming off, a little bit of tax. So the total here is $11.42. If you possibly have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it. Pay $1.42, and you're getting 9 boxes of the Walgreens brand of facial tissue. And I think it's a really good, it's what we're using right now in our living room, so it is a favorite in our household. The final deal we're looking at is specifically in store. The Charmin Soft, the Charmin Strong, the Bounty Essentials, along with the Puffs. They're on this promotion where they're $4.99 each. And when you buy 4, you get back a $5 register reward. Because it's involving a register reward, this is the deal that you have to do specifically in store. You can mix and match, or you can just get all puffs if you wish, or you can get all bounty if you wish. You can do whatever you want, but you're looking for items that are tagged at $4.99 each. Buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. So I'm grabbing 4 of these products. Again, you can mix and match if you wish, or just get all puffs. It's $19.96. Now, unfortunately, there are no manufacturer coupons to go with this, but if you might have register rewards, by all means, you could throw those in. We've been doing little Garnier deals and the Colgates. That would drop it down significantly. But I was hoping for like a little dollar or so coupon, but I'm not seeing it in my app. So if you just look at the basic numbers here, $19.96, getting back that $5 register reward, it's $14.96 for the 4, or $3.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you have register rewards to throw into this, I absolutely would, because $19.96 is a little scary when you're using just Walgreens cash, or, your debit card. That's it for this video. In case you want to watch yesterday's curbside matchups, it's linked right here. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.